Plank exercise is one of the best isometric core strength exercise for the overall part of the body. It is a positional workout where you have to stick with a single position until you are done. It is the best workout without any need of equipment or resource. The main focus of plank exercise is on the abdomen and the strength of the overall body. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you planks every day. So, watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. Core strength. Boards are an exceptionally powerful activity for developing center fortitude. By drawing in different muscle bunches all the while, including the abs, obliques, and lower back muscles, boards successfully target and reinforce the whole center. Predictable active boards prompts further developed strength, better stance, and upgraded balance. A solid center not just backings the spine and lessens the gamble of back torment, yet additionally improves athletic execution in different exercises. Integrating boards into your everyday schedule can fundamentally add to generally center strength and utilitarian. Improve posture. Planks are beneficial for improving posture by strengthening the muscles that support the spine and promote proper alignment. By engaging the core muscles, including the abdominals and lower back, planks help stabilize the spine and pelvis, reducing the likelihood of slouching or overarching the back. As these muscles become stronger and more resilient, they provide better support for the spine during daily activities, leading to improved posture over time. Consistently incorporating planks into your workout routine can help correct postural imbalances and promote a more upright, aligned posture. Enhance balance and stability. Plank exercises are excellent for enhancing balance and stability because they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the core, shoulders, and legs. By holding a plank position, you challenge your body to maintain stability while resisting the force of gravity. This helps improve proprioception, awareness of body position, and trains the muscles to work together synergistically to maintain balance. Over time, consistent practice of planks can lead to better balance, coordination, and stability, which are essential for various activities and sports, as well as reducing the risk of falls and injuries. Improve athletic performance. Plank exercises offer significant benefits for improving athletic performance. By targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the core, shoulders, arms, and legs, planks help enhance overall strength, stability, and endurance. A strong core, developed through regular plank workouts, provides a stable foundation for athletic movements such as running, jumping, and lifting. Additionally, planks improve functional strength and coordination, allowing athletes to generate power more efficiently and move with greater agility and control. Incorporating plank exercises into a comprehensive training program can contribute to improved athletic performance across various sports and activities. Reduce belly fat. Plank exercises are effective for reducing belly fat by engaging and strengthening the core muscles, including the abdominals and obliques. As you hold the plank position, these muscles are activated, helping to increase muscle mass and metabolism. Over time, this can lead to a higher calorie burn, aiding in fat loss, including in the abdominal area. Additionally, plank exercises improve posture, which can make the stomach appear flatter. Incorporating planks into your routine alongside a balanced diet and cardio exercise can help achieve a slimmer waistline. Strong digestive system. While plank exercises primarily target the core muscles, they indirectly benefit the digestive system by promoting overall wellness. By strengthening the core and improving posture, planks can alleviate pressure on the digestive organs, allowing for better digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, engaging in regular physical activity, including plank exercises, stimulates the digestive system and helps regulate bowel movements. A strong core also supports proper breathing, which can aid in relaxation and digestion. Overall, plank exercises contribute to a healthy lifestyle that supports a strong digestive